All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe. We have an unboxing today. I have ordered in this box a bag, and it's a bag I had for quite a few years. I sold it, and I wanted to get another one. And I just want to make a video on why I rebought this, why I sold it the first time, and just kind of talk about it. We're going to unbox it and see what's in here, so let's jump into it. All right, so this is another haversack from Hidden Woodsmen. No, they didn't give it to me. They didn't sponsor the channel or anything. I bought it, so you know, just a fair warning. This is mine. I paid for it. We're just going to kind of talk about why I re-got this one and why I sold the other one. So I love Hidden Woodsman stuff. I had the backpack. I've had 2 or 3 other backpacks. Now, they're good bushcraft bags for just going up and, like, you know, playing up in the woods and doing bushcraft stuff. I think they're some of the best well-made bags you could possibly get. They're not what I would call robust for mountain climbing and backpacking and stuff like that, you know, like I do. If you've seen my channel before, you know, I climb mountains that are like, you know, 10, 12, 14,000 foot peaks and stuff like that. You know, so their backpacks are not really, well, most of them aren't big enough to do overnight stuff for mountaineering and mountain climbing and stuff like that. But they're just not, they're not made robust as secure, but they are phenomenal just day packs for, you know, in the forest and doing bushcraft stuff and playing, making shelters and just doing stuff like that. I had one for a while and I didn't really use it, and I sold it. But as time went on, I was like, you know, I really miss this bag. So, you know, it's made out of really thick, heavy Cordura. Mine had blazing orange all the way inside it. This one does not, but it has a little bit more organization in it. Has a zipper, has some little stow pockets in the side. Mine was an older version of it, one of the first ones that I think that Malcolm did make with this. But this is kind of the newer version, a little bit different than my other one, but great nonetheless. And I got this really just for carrying some stuff out in the woods to shoot videos and stuff. I kind of want to make this a dedicated camera bag for shooting videos and stuff and having some bushcraft stuff just for going up in the mountains. I'm going to try to start making more content up in the mountains. You know, I'm not going to do like a whole video on this just for, you know, packing it out. That's for another time. But I will say, if you're looking for a good satchel, they're good. I bought it again. It's been great. They use great buckles. It's just a really good bag for going. Honestly, if you want to use it for like an EDC bag, you know, it's got some webbing here to attach stuff. It's not overly tactical. It's a bushcraft style bag. You know, I mean, definitely if you want to pack it out. One thing I will say that I would love, and they'll probably do it eventually, what I would love to see with this bag would be possibly some little loops and attachments down here to where I could actually attach this to another pack, which, you know, just something for me. But all in all, it's a great bag. I mean, it is a great bag. It folds up really small, but nonetheless, just a great bag. You know, just want to make a quick little video on why I like this bag. You know, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe. Trying to grow the channel. They have some in stock. They come and go. And, you know, it's a small group of guys that make this, from what I can tell. And, you know, speaking of which, I'm just reorganizing my backpacking gear from when I went up on the mountain. And this is one of their possibles pouches. I've used this for, shoot, maybe 6 years now. Holy cow, time flies. I use this when I go backpacking to keep all my stuff in, you know, like my my sharpening stone, you know, my ferrocerium rod, and just, you know, little odd and end stuff. I stuffed my first aid kit in there. And I just usually keep this in the top lid on my Hill People Gear pouch or backpack, you know. So, I mean, I've used a lot of their stuff. It's super awesome, you know. Go check it out. Just my thoughts on the bag. You know, like I said, not a full review. Just why I like the bag, so. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next video. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'm going to remind you again, please subscribe. We're celebrating a big turnover or not a big event on the channel. We have finally hit 450,000 views channel-wide. So I'm almost to 500,000 views, creeping up on 3,000 subscribers. I've been monetized for about 6 months now, which is pretty awesome. Not getting rich off it. Honestly, I'm making just enough to kind of break even on a few of the items that I buy to review for you guys. Still working on producing content for mountaineering and backpacking, which is a big part of this channel. Unfortunately, those videos don't do as good as far as backpacking. I don't know why. Everybody likes the gear channel type stuff. Maybe I'll make another backpack. Maybe I'll make a separate channel for backpacking. We'll just see what happens and just put that on Mountain Adventure Backpacking or something like that. So anywho, just a little channel update. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. So see you guys on the next video.